If you're a science person, you might think your only future paths are medicine or engineering. Think again. Being science-inclined means your brain is wired in a powerful way, and that's what matters most for your future. This video is for science students who feel limited by traditional career labels. We're going to explore what being science-inclined truly means for your potential. Being a science student doesn't lock you into a lifetime contract with medicine or engineering. Your real asset is your unique way of thinking. It means your brain operates in a certain way, focused on understanding, logic, and problem-solving. This mindset is incredibly powerful. So how exactly does a science-inclined mind operate? Let's break down the common traits. Science-inclined students often enjoy logic and finding patterns. You thrive on bringing order to complexity and understanding how different elements connect. You naturally ask why and how. This innate curiosity drives you to seek deeper understanding, a skill valuable everywhere. You excel at solving problems step by step, breaking down challenges into manageable pieces to find logical, effective solutions. The key takeaway is this: science is a way of thinking, not a restrictive job title. Science training empowers your mind to analyze situations, breaking down complex information to identify core components and understand variables. You're adept at testing solutions. This experimental mindset means you don't just guess. You hypothesize, test, and validate results. Science teaches you to always look for better ways. This drive to improve systems and optimize performance is a highly sought-after skill. The skills you gain from science extend far beyond the classroom and the textbook. That powerful skill set shows up everywhere, from technology and healthcare to data analytics, innovation, and high-level business strategy. Your science mind is built for impact. Many students mistakenly believe that being a science person means a narrow, predetermined future. It absolutely does not. Embrace the breadth of your potential. What ultimately matters more than the specific course you took? Your success will not come from memorizing formulas forever. It will come from your ability to solve tough problems in real-world scenarios. Adaptability and continuous learning are key. These foundational skills outlast any single career or industry trend. In conclusion, let's redefine what it means to be a science person. Being a science person means you are fundamentally wired to build, improve, and understand the world around you. The future critically needs that analytical, problem-solving mindset, and it needs it in countless diverse places. Go make your impact.